Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be making a delicious and easy recipe with Tigernut. And it's also a great way to learn how to make your Tigernut drink last for more than a week. For this recipe, we'll need Tigernut, coconut, roast groundnut, sugar or sucralose for those who can't take sugar, milk, I am using fresh Tigernut in this recipe, and I had kept it in freezer for 24 hours. You can also use dry. To use dry, put it in a bowl, add water, keep it in freezer for 48 hours. To make your Tigernut milk last for more than a week, the key is to avoid heating the Tigernuts during the preparation process. This is because heat can cause the milk to spoil quickly. During the preparation process, use only cold water. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment for more amazing recipes. Drain the tiger nuts and add them to a blender along with shredded coconut, groundnut, and cold water. You can add ice block if your blender can blend it. Blend until the mixture is smooth. Strain the milk through a cheesecloth or any other means, like the one I am doing in this video. Add milk and sugar or sucralose. Store the milk in the refrigerator in an airtight container. Enjoy! And that's it. We've now made a heavenly and easy tiger nut milk. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions about the recipe, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Also tell me if you have had tiger nut milk. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment for more amazing recipes.